Dank for 20. We're back with a new video. It's not a regular video, but I actually got my hands on a Kingpin. It is a strain called Gelato, 71.48% THC and 1.15% CBD. Look at this. It has a label on the back. It's a hybrid. And it also has the date they made it and the expiration date. It was made 9/20 of 2018. And it's Best Buy 9/20 of 2019. The packaging is nice. Look at that. Comes like in a little doobie tube. Seal at the top, seal at the bottom. Look at this. It even has their emblem on the glass. Let's try this out. See how this tastes. It has like a type of fruits taste. It's actually pretty smooth. It's not that bad. It's not as good as the Danks, because I just got my hands on an Alaskan Thunderfuck, and I'm hoping that this is better than the Lemonhead. But the Kingpins, they're okay. They're like, it's pretty weak, and 71% ain't much. The packaging is really nice. Like, this is keeping the vape pretty safe. It's keeping it safer than a Dank vape in a cardboard box. But the high is not that strong at all. But I gotta give them props on the packaging. Stay tuned, and I'll be out with more videos.